Hey lovely creatives, Vivian here. Okay, so we're going to try and do, I'm going to try and teach you 10 essential tips in Canva, and I'm going to try and do it in 10 minutes. Anyway, it's 4 o'clock here in Italy. As you know, I'm at my tiny studio on the coast near Rome. And I love helping design beginners learn art and business design through my hands-on, very simple tutorials, so you can concentrate on what you do best. Okay, by the end of this tutorial, you'll hopefully have learned 10 easy peasy tips on how to use Canva. And you'll probably wonder why you didn't start sooner. Okay, so as you can see, I'm on the home page of Canva. I'm going to keep an eye on my watch. Okay, it's 4 p.m. and this is the one I've been working on. So I'm working on a new template. In fact, I'm going up to the top here, left click on flyer. This is an A4 US letter size. Okay, so what are we going to learn today? The first thing I want to look at is, I'm coming down here, transparency. Okay, so let's go up. As you can see, I've got a bit of transparency going on with these tulips. So I'm going over to the left, elements. Okay, I've got recently used, but you could just go into Canva and click on free elements. If they're the pro elements, they've got the little crown. Excuse me. Okay, so I've come over here with the tulips, and the next thing we're going to learn is how to duplicate and use transparency. So I'm coming onto the image. I'm going to right click, copy, right click, paste, and as you can see, I've got a duplicate. So I'm just holding down the left key, going to make it a bit larger, maybe a bit higher. Okay, let's bring it over here, and I want that to be slightly more transparent, so I'm coming up to this top menu. Can you see transparency? It's at 100% at the moment, so I'm going to bring it down to 28. Okay, and I'm going to align it with that one. Okay, let's just check that it's centered. Oh, excuse me. I didn't have a cough when I set out to do this video. Okay, so that's how you can use transparency. Let me bring this in a bit. Okay, can you see that? I'm just holding down my left key, and I can move it wherever I want. Okay, let's have a look at my next tip. Transparency, duplicate elements. Okay, that took us a couple of minutes. I'm now going to come on to filters and animation. So let's go across here. Now, to add animation, all I'm going to do is come over to the left. Or rather, I'm not, sorry, made a mistake there. Okay, I'm coming up to the top here. I've clicked on one of the tulip pictures. I'm coming up to animate, and I am going to use an ink effect. Let's try that. Okay, did you see that? And I can decide whether to animate as you come on to the video, as you leave the video, or you can have both. Okay, can you see that? Let me just come over here a second so that you can look at that. Okay, so we did a couple of things there. We used animate up at the top. And the next thing I'm going to do, let's go back. I'm going to use some text. So I'm coming down on the left here. Where is text? I've lost it. Can you see it for me? Here we are. Okay, same thing applies if it's got the crown, and Pro, it's a premium template. Okay, this is the one I used. I'm going to bring it to the top, and I'm going to bring these down a little touch. I'm just doing something here so that I can bring the other one down as well. Okay, business solutions. Okay. We're going to write, what are we going to write? Okay, we're just going to put a couple of hearts up there. Let's come down here and write tulips galore. In fact, we can do it up here. Tulips. And I'm just left clicking inside this box. Galore. Okay, we are now going to change the colours. So I'm just clicking on it, holding down my left mouse. Okay, we don't want that colour, so I'm coming up here, can you see the A, to text colour, and I am going to use one of the photo colours, so that's that nice green. And while I'm still on there, I'm also going to put it in bold. Okay, let's have a look. And I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to change the colour of that as well by going up here, and I'll make that the same pink as in the tulips. Okay, I'm also going to change the font on the second one, so I'm coming up here to fonts. Now I'm going to click on handwriting here. There was one, decor. Okay. Tulips galore. It's a little bit small. As you can see up here, it gives me the font size. I'm going to increase that until I'm happy with it. So let's have a look. Tulips galore. Okay, let's go back over here. Now I need a button, and I need to put some text so that you can go and grab your free notebook and mood board tutorials, or any link that you want to put. So let's come down to our list. Transparency we did, duplicate elements, filters, add links we haven't done yet. Resize, we just dragged the tulips and resized them. We used animation, we've used text, changed the colours, and we've changed the font. Okay, we've just got a couple here. We've got to add links and download as a PDF. So I'm going back here, and I'm coming over to elements on the left. I'm going to write button. If you go up here to these little filters, you can get the free elements if you're on a free plan. Button. What happened there? Maybe because I put free. Clear all. Okay. Click button. Let's go on click button. Okay, this didn't happen before. Mouse click. No. Frames, videos. Or, because it's gone on to audio for some reason. Button. Okay, I've lost a couple of minutes there. Button. Elements. Clear. Let me clear everything. Click button. graphics. There we are. Okay, so here is a free one. Always check at the top whether you can change the colour. Okay, we obviously don't want a yellow one, so I'll get rid of that. I'll try putting free in again. See what happens. Okay, that pink one will do. Going to bring it down. It's far too big, so I'm just going to bring it in a little. Okay, I'm holding down the left key to center it. Where did that come from? All kinds of exciting things are happening on Canva today. Okay, I need to put some text. Add a text box. Let me bring that down here. Click here for your freebie tutorial. Okay. Just going to center it a little bit. Obviously, the text is a little small, so I'm click here for your freebie tutorial. Okay, that is now too small. Let's do it so that it includes the text over. Okay, how much time have I got left? Okay, now I'm going to put a link on here. I am going to select it again, and I've just held down my left key, link, and here you enter your URL, link to your blog, link to wherever you want. Okay, fine. So I think we finished. I did put a couple of hearts on the other one, which I will show you. Here, add your own flair. Okay, obviously I spend a little bit longer on doing this one. Let's go back to the other one, and we are on the 10-11 minute, so I am now going to go up to share, download. It says MP4 video, which I do not want. I'm going on to PDF standard. I'm not going to flatten the PDF, as I have a link here, and I am going to download it. And that is all you do. It will save it to my computer. I can put it in the in a folder, and there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like me to do more tutorials like this one. And don't forget to download your free notebook and mood board design templates. I'm going to put them in the description below. And I'd love if you'd subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye for now.